Hi there, students. O, job, lock, log, hot, shone, on, off. Okay, this is another of the short vowels. To make this O sound, you need to curl your tongue. You need to curl your tongue from the back to the front of your mouth, like there's a tunnel or a tube coming out of your mouth. And then you let the air out of your throat. O. It comes from the back of your throat and you push the air O through this tunnel. Okay? So, O. Job, rob, bob, stock, lock, rock, block, log, dog, Roger, lodger, hot, got, not, spot, lot, Scottish, shot, want, shone, gone, font, on, off, onomatopoeia, otter, object. Okay? O. Now let's try the sentences. Bob gave Tom a job to rob corn cobs. Okay? Bob, Tom, job, rob, cob. Jock locked the stock by blocking it with a rock. Jock, locked, stock, blocking, rock. Roger the lodger was snogging his dog on a log. Roger, lodger, snogging, dog, on, log. He's not got rotten hot spots. He's not got rotten hot spots. Not, got, rotten, hot, spots. He wants a lot of Scottish gods shot. Wants, lot, of, Scottish, gods, shot. We shone the light on the font. We shone the light on the font. Shone, on, font. Do you object to on and off Otter onomatopoeia? Do you object to on and off Otter onomatopoeia? Object, on, off, Otter onomatopoeia. Okay, I hope that's helped you with the off sound. If it did and you enjoyed it, give it a rating. You could subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.